Alright, let's look at homework 3.2, problem number 2. Alright, so we want to find the equation of the tangent line to the graph of f of x equals 6 minus 5 natural log of x at x equals 1. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so again, whenever you're looking for equation of a line, we need two pieces of information. We need a point. Right, so I'm gonna call it x1 comma y1, right? And x1 is given, it's 1 right here, so it's 1. Then y1 is simply just plugging 1 into that given function, right? So which is going to be, right, 1 comma, so plugging 1 here, natural log of 1 is 0, so it's going to be just 6, right? So, and the other piece of information we need is the slope, right? So I'm going to call that guy m, right? Slope can be found by looking at the derivative and plugging the x value, which is 1, right? So let's take the derivative first. So f prime of x is going to be equal to, right, derivative of 6 is 0 because 6 is a constant. Right, so you have negative 5, right, and derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x, so it's going to be negative 5 over x, right? So if you plug in 1 into that, you have negative 5 over 1, which is going to be negative 5, right? Therefore, remember we have a point slope form, which goes like y minus y1 is equal to m times quantity x minus x1, right? So following that, we have y minus y1 is 6 is equal to, slope is negative 5, and x minus x1 is 1, right? If you want, you can distribute negative 5 to each term to get negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. Right? You know, to isolate y, I'm going to add 6 to both sides. So that way you have y equals negative 5x. And then you have plus 11. Right? So let's type that in. So we have negative 5x plus 11. Check the answer. Alright, we got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.